Take a look at this 2012 Toyota Tundra 2-wheel drive truck. This Tundra 2-wheel drive truck has just under 500 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 20 on the highway. This Tundra 2-wheel drive truck boasts a 4.6-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the 4-piece carpet floor mats and the 50-state emissions. Call 866-655-8722 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.